Who is the most beautiful person in your family?
My cat.
Your cat? Why not your mommy or daddy?
Because my daddy always kisses and hugs my mommy.
Is your daddy good at fixing things at home?
Yes.
What did daddy fix last time?
My toy.
Did daddy fix the toy?
No.
What happened?
He changed the batteries.
Did that help?
Who is the boss at your house, mommy or daddy?
Mommy.
So daddy listens to mommy?
Yes.
And who does mommy listen to?
Me.
Who controls the TV?
Grandpa thinks he does.
He doesn't.
He's asleep by minute 3. Grandma changed it immediately. My dad told the truth and it caused a problem.
What happened?
You know how I said my dad is honest?
Yeah.
So my mom asked him, if something happened to me, would you remarry? And he said to her, I don't repeat experiments.
How do you know mommy is angry?
She gives me a look
What kind of look?
like this. I know you heard me.
Is Grandma good with technology?
She calls it the machine.
The machine.
Her phone, she holds it far away to see it. Full arm length. Every time.
Does your daddy cook at home?
Yes.
What does daddy cook?
Eggs.
Does he make good eggs?
No.
What happened to the eggs?
They were black.
Did daddy eat them anyway?
Does Grandma share her opinions?
Always.
Even when nobody asks?
Especially when nobody asks. It's her gift.
Oh, yeah, okay. Tell me, do you, can make you a millionaire?
Yes.
Oh, how? If I am billionaire?
What Daddy told me.
What did he tell you?
That he was a billionaire before he met my mommy. And now
What happens when something breaks at home?
investigation.
Who investigates?
Who did this? I'm not mad. I just want to know who did this.
Do you know your house Wi-Fi password?
Yes.
Really? What is it?
It's Mommy's birthday.
That's sweet. Does Daddy know it? Why not?
Because he forgot her birthday.
What does mommy say when you ask why?
Because I said so.
But why?
Because I said so.
But
Do not make me say it again.
So, do you like holidays?
No.
No, why not?
On holidays, my parents stay home. There is too much supervision.
Tell me about Grandpa.
He's a legend.
Why a legend?
He sleeps anywhere. Chair, couch, standing up. I've never seen anything before.
Yes,
He's Uncle Peter with my daddy. He makes new baby every year.
oh my goodness.
Oh, buddy. That's new.
What does your dad do when he loses an argument?
He becomes silent.
Just silent?
No, he starts cleaning the house like it's a punishment.
Does it work?
Yes, Mommy forgets what she was angry about.
Does your daddy work from home sometimes?
Yes,
What does that mean?
he sits with laptop.
And what does mommy do when he works?
She says shh.
Do your mommy and daddy ever fight?
No,
Never.
no, they don't fight.
So they're always happy?
They whisper. There are 2 babies in my house. Can you believe that?
2 babies? How do you have siblings?
A siblings would be better. I am talking about me and Daddy. 1, 2. Daddy,
Who loves you more, mommy or daddy?
Daddy.
Oh, really? Where is your daddy?
There, Daddy is a big daddy. That's my daddy.
Does your dad ever tell your mom she looks beautiful?
Every single day.
That is so romantic.
It's not romantic. It's a daily survival strategy.
Why do you love Grandma so much?
She loves me first.
What does that mean?
Before I do anything, before I even try, she already loves me. There are 2 babies in my house. Can you believe that?
2 babies? How do you have siblings?
A siblings would be better. I am talking about me and Daddy. 1, 2,
Does daddy go shopping alone?
with the list.
Does he follow it?
You bought what? It was on the list! The list I wrote! In your hand! He does not follow the list.
What does mommy say when she cleans your room?
How does one child make this much mess?
And what do you say?
I worked very hard on it. I cleaned this room yesterday.
Does Grandpa hear well?
Depends.
On what?
If Grandma asks him to do something,
No.
if there's food ready. My mommy does not shout, she looks.
What kind of look?
She looks into your soul and you immediately behave. Even Daddy freezes.
Can you use the bathroom anytime?
There is a pass.
What if you forget the pass?
Where is your pass? You know the rule. No pass, no bathroom. Go sit down.
Does mommy help with homework?
She starts nice.
Then what?
How do you not know this? We did this yesterday.
So why are you angry at your parents?
Well, they have a mini golf game in their bedroom that they don't want to show me.
How do you know that?
Sometimes they think I sleep. I hear them play mini golf in their bedroom, but I think my dad is losing.
Why do you think your dad is losing?
Because often my mom tells him that he put it in the wrong hole.
Does your mom check your dad's phone?
No, she says she trusts him.
Then what does she do?
She just scrolls a little.
What kind of scrolling?
Scrolls from 2026 to 2012.
Does mommy help with homework?
She starts nice.
Then what?
We don't you know this? We did yesterday!
Does Grandpa watch a lot of TV?
Yes. Very loud.
How loud?
The neighbors know the whole episode. We don't need a TV. Just Grandpa.
Does your dad know directions?
Yes.
How?
He says he knows.
Then what?
We get lost.
Confidently.
Does Grandma waste food?
Never. Ever.
What happens to leftovers?
They become tomorrow's lunch and dinner and breakfast until it's gone.
Does your dad help with shopping?
Yes?
Is he good at it?
He brings everything.
Like what?
Except what Mom asked.
What does mommy say at bedtime?
It is bedtime.
And what do you say?
5 more minutes? I said what I said. Do not make me count to 3.
Why do women leave handsome men?
Because pretty is not peace.
Looks aren't enough?
No, a nice face can't fix stress, confusion, or weak effort.